Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm actually on my way over to pick up a new part. Getting a white line rear sway bar. I'm getting this off my friend John.
Fred.
We were just talking at our recent Queensland CJ Owners event that was just a couple of weeks ago. He was saying he actually has a spare because he bought one and then he actually ended up buying the whole white line kit afterwards. So he has a spare rear sway bar, and I said I was looking at buying one next. So yeah, ended up deciding to grab his one off him. It's in either brand new condition or basically brand new, I can't remember. And I've also ordered the white line rear end links as well. So won't be installing today or anything, but just figured it's a nice day out, going for a bit of a drive over at his house to pick it up. He also has an Evo 10 that's really nice, so maybe we'll check that out when we're there. But
Car friend.
yeah, so I'd bring the camera with me and film the drive, maybe show you his car if it's if he's got it out, and yeah, we'll go from there. I figured while I'm driving there, I'll just tell you a little bit about what I'm doing to the car at the moment, because I actually have said previously that anytime I do overtime at work, that is my sort of car mod money. So, because yeah, as Letitia and myself are currently trying to buy a house, obviously spending money on our cars isn't a priority. But if I do any overtime at work, that's just, yeah, that's car mod money, that's extra money we're already saving. So yeah, I did a bit of overtime last week, or a couple of weeks ago it was, and yeah, decent bit of extra cash for it. So I have been wanting to get the white line rear sway bar for quite a while. I did test drive one of my friends. It was a manual GSR after he just installed it, because he said you need to drive this and feel the difference it makes. So yeah, I had a drive, and yeah, definitely the rear end just feels a lot more stable and planted. But yeah, I didn't drive his car before, it was just drove it after he installed it, so it'll be more interesting to see the difference that I feel with my car. But yes, I've been wanting that for a while, and like I said, John mentioned that he had a spare one, so grabbed that. Also ordered some white line end links. And I also, one thing I got that I really needed is the DW fuel pump hardwire kit. My tuner mentioned to me a while ago when we did the 98 tune, or the pump fuel tune, if you call it that. When we did that tune on my car, he said it's making great power, should be good for E85 once I do that second map. The only thing he said may hold me back is my fuel pump wiring. So the injectors are fine, the fuel pump itself is fine. He just said I should probably hardwire it, and yeah, DW sell a kit for that. So I have the DW 300 fuel pump, or 300C fuel pump. So yeah, I'll be grabbing, I've already ordered it, sorry, I'm waiting to pick that up once it's in stock. And yeah, I'm gonna, just because I'm not very good with wiring, what I'm gonna do is get mechanic that I use to install that for me, and just because I've got a single garage, and installing the sway bar is not a very difficult job from what I've seen, but in a single garage that's pretty tight as it is, to jack the car up and get underneath both sides, it's just a bit too tight for me. So yeah, take it to the mechanic, he'll have it up on the hoist, he'll just be able to put it in and out easy. So yeah, gonna get that done. And yeah, then the E85 tune, it's coming. Just the only thing is, with ethanol prices just gone up so much in Queensland, it's gone up 20 cents a litre. Fuel economy on it isn't the best. So I just figured I'll wait for the price to go back down, and then we'll do the ethanol E85 map for my car. And yeah, the tuner said to get this fuel pump hardwire kit installed, and then he'll just touch up the pump fuel map, and just, you know, take him a couple of minutes just to touch it up, a couple of logs, and then yeah, we can do the E85 map. But I just want to wait till the price goes back down. So anyway, we'll keep heading towards John's house to pick up this sway bar, and I'll see you when we get there. Okay, so currently on the way home, I'll have picked up the white line sway bar, which I'll show you now. So yeah, can't wait to get that installed. Just got to wait for the end links to arrive, and yeah, get that all put in. And so yeah, it's on the way home now. Car is now warmed up enough, so if I can find a bit of open road, I'll try and do a couple of pulls. Just want to see if you guys, see if I can get a good sound clip for you guys. Because I think since I've installed the titanium blow-off valve piping, the car sounds a little bit different, I feel like. It's not any louder really, but yeah, just the blow-off valve has a bit of a different sound. So yeah, see if you guys can notice the difference on that, because I don't know, it feels like a little bit, bit of a different pitch now. Not sure if the camera picks that up or not, but yeah, definitely sounds a bit different to me. Definitely getting a few bangs from the exhaust today. Some days you just take your car for a drive and you just love everything about it. I feel like that's been me in my car lately. It's just sounding so good, loving the way it looks, way it handles, just everything. It's like gone from stock, which was a little bit underwhelming. It was a massive improvement over what I had driven, but compared to now, to look back, it's a totally different car, and I feel like I've just got it exactly what I want out of it. It's like the perfect daily drive now. Absolutely love this SST transmission. Can't wait for to get it rebuilt and everything, but still so much fun. It still drives well. But yeah, just like it's sounding great, it's handling great. Looks is subjective, but yeah, I love the way it looks. I think it looks great, and yeah, it's just really impressed with this car. Like, I've had it for like 5.5, 6 years, but yeah, every time I drive it lately, it's just makes me love it all over again. So yeah, I don't know if you guys experience that sometimes in your cars, but I really have lately. One thing I'd like to do is start doing some track days, mainly once I get the gearbox fixed, but I want to like go out with an instructor and just sort of see, you know, what I'm doing right, what I'm doing wrong, you know, learn a bit more on how to throw the car around. But yeah, that's about all I can think of that I really want to do to it now. Like that, yeah, there's more. The main thing that annoys me with this car is the interior. I don't mind the look of it, just the rattles. So I have been sort of trying to track down rattles lately and putting a bit of like double-sided tape in those areas that I think are causing sort of plastic on plastic rattles. I've got rid of a few, but I feel like there's just so many more, and then more keep coming up. And so yeah, one day I will be just fully redoing this interior. I want to get the seats retrimmed and everything. But yeah, I want to get like the dash just completely sound deadened the best I can. But yeah, I'll get a couple more pulls for you guys. Somewhat a sketchy area here because there is sometimes a cop pulled over on the side of the road, so as much as I want to absolutely floor it from those lights, I'm just worried about this little section here. Yeah, I think I'll end the video there, guys. Not the most exciting video or anything, but yeah, going out for a drive, picking up a part on a day off. Thought, why not bring the camera and see if it's something worth filming and making a video on. So if you guys don't mind this type of video where it's not exactly a part install or a cruise or some sort of event, but it's just more yeah, going for a drive and picking up a car part, or you know, that sort of style of video, yeah, let me know, because I can make these a lot easier than I can make part install videos, because yeah, obviously we don't always have a part to install, and I'm trying to do 2 videos a week at the moment, so I don't want to run out of videos. I do have a few pre-filmed, but yeah, if I get busy at work or it's raining or something and I can't get my 2 videos out for the week, these are the sort of videos that I can quickly throw together. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Yeah, I'll end the video here, so yeah, give it a like if you enjoyed. Yeah, comment down below if you have a comment you want to make, and yeah, feel free to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of the Evo 10 rally art style videos, and I'll catch you guys next time.